So what do you think, Mom? Think you're gonna hit a fish today?
I hope so.
Yeah? What about you?
Absolutely.
Yeah?
Absolutely.
All right, back down Crane Road to Nile Creek.
Not many people here.
Not very many people. That's good.
Doesn't look like it.
All right, so another day at Nile Creek. It's gonna be a very, very good day. I'm gonna limit out. What?
Looks like a small boat, is it?
Yeah, I wonder if it's
Cutting?
a cutty maybe? Watch out, Dad. Coming behind you, Dad. There we go. Oh, don't go in the water. Stay there. Stop, you little bastard. Stop. No, that works. Yeah. Yeah. What could be more relaxing than this?
Yeah, no kidding.
Get rid of the green-headed one. It's the best one to use. Hold on, Dad. There's a school right in front of you, Dad. Come on, come on. shaking around, little bitch. Did you drop a fly?
Yeah.
Well, where is it?
That's right on the floor now.
Oh.
Like, did you catch anything today?
Yeah, I landed 2.
Cool.
Yeah. When are you gonna get out fly fishing?
Maybe tonight. I'll see.
Couple more.
See, I want to get your head.
Okay, well then back up. Over. Pretty simple. You guys should get Wayne or Andy out here one of these days.
Yeah, not this year.
Yeah, not this year, but
Some year.
I know Wayne would love this. Andy would love it too. I know he would. What was that? Oh, you want some fish guts, do you? If that happens, then do it for like a minute or so. Oh, look at all that sea lice.
Sea lice?
That's sea lice. Just keep it recording. That's the bigger one.
Yeah, that's a good one.
The other one's puny.
The sun is really affecting these pictures. Slice.
Here, you want a fish head? Was it? Shut up. Here. All right, so those are going in the freezer.
You said Katie's working?
Well, he said me and Kayla and the kids, so I assume she's working.
All right, cool. So those are going in the freezer, and that guy we're eating.
Yeah. I'm putting
Nice.
it in the fridge.
Have it for dinner, or do you want to have it for lunch?
We'll do it for lunch. Kim, we're gonna do the whole thing as is because it's the smaller one. That way there's a little more fish.
Yeah, perfect.
Okay.